Hello, it's me, Viacom, the V of Doomed. And I'm gonna annoy everyone with this Stables easy button.
That was easy.
Hi. I'll start with ABC. What's up, guys?
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Viacom, stop it! How rude. I'll do B next.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Viacom, knock it off. I don't care because you're gonna jerk B. That
was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Knock it off, Viacom. I'll do P at next.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Knock it off, Viacom. Okay. The next person.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
That's it, Viacom. If you press it one more time, I'll give you rescue. I'll get arrested. Cookie jar, do it. I'm gonna do it. No, don't. Too late.
That was easy.
God. That's it. Don't know else. Oh no, it says.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
Knock it off. Cookie jar is coming. The piece. Viacom, you under arrested for annoying everyone with this easy button. We hate Viacom. We hate Viacom. Viacom sucks. Viacom sucks. Why does everybody annoy me? Come on, Viacom. You're going to jail. Down here. No! Don't forget your easy button. Ouch! Yay! Viacom gets arrested! Finally, that